Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen remains completely black, it could be due to a malfunctioning component, often linked to the main control board or power supply. If left unaddressed, this issue can prevent you from using your device altogether, leading to further complications down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement control board, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Thermomix TM5 is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Carefully remove the screws from the base using a suitable screwdriver, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off, being cautious not to force it, as this may damage the clips holding it together. Inside, locate the main control board, which is usually found at the back of the unit. Inspect the board for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find any issues, you will need to unplug the connectors attached to the board. Use your tweezers to carefully disconnect these cables, ensuring you remember their positions for reassembly. Now, remove the screws securing the control board and lift it out gently. Take your new control board and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables carefully, making sure they fit snugly into their respective ports. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the casing and screw it securely to avoid any rattling. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and turn it on to see if the screen lights up. If it does, congratulations, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your device is kept in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch any potential problems early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.